years, Imperial Systems has brought you the best dust and fume collectors on Earth. Now, under our new division, Imperial Filtration, we bring you the best and most advanced filters on the market. Featuring the most advanced filter medias with the best efficiency and durability. Made with heavy-duty American-sourced steel and components. Using the top adhesive technology for filter assembly. Handcrafted with extreme attention to detail in our Pennsylvania facility. Designed with a double helix cording for increased strength and ability to better pulse clean. The most advanced material, unmatched service and support, high attention to detail, and the top filter technology in the industry. Why choose any other filter company? Imperial Filtration, the best filters.